Welcome to Farm with Bosoka, where I'll be teaching you the best farm practices for your commercial and home gardening. We'll be covering various types of crops such as tomatoes. By the way, do you know we have two different types of tomatoes, and pepper and cucumber, and maize, cabbage, etc. Also, how to nest your seed and how to protect your seed before transplanting. Also, how to prep your lands for planting, and the various type of irrigation system that is available for both commercial and small scale farming. We'll also be throwing in some few interviews just to spike your interest and knowledge on farming. So stay tuned to our channel. Remember to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, and watch out for our next video.